Check out our newest feature release. We now have cancellations that are super easy for Yext Listings right inside the CRM. Our CRM empowers users to now be able to effortlessly cancel any of their Yext listings right through the CRM. Why it matters and how this is going to help you and your business. Now you can effortlessly cancel Yext listings directly within the CRM. This feature update is also going to empower you or anyone helping you to create Yext SEO listings. One of the other things that I love about this is it shortens the commitment period from 3 months to just 30 days. This is an absolutely amazing feature because if you go directly to Yext, then you're going to be spending a whole bunch of money and you're going to have a full year commitment. So let's first activate your Yext listings. First, you're going to go to Reputation, and in the upper navigation, go ahead and click on Listings. From there, you're going to see Yext, and you can go ahead and start signing up. Go ahead and fill in all of the details, then simply subscribe. Go ahead and edit your listing information under Listing, and then Edit Listing Information. You can also now cancel Yext easily. Just go ahead and go to Manage Listing and then fill in those fields, and now you'll see the Proceed to Cancellation. That's going to open up a pop-up and you're going to finalize proceeding to cancellation. Go ahead and tap Next. And once you've filled out any details you'd like to fill out, go ahead and cancel that subscription. We hope you enjoy this simple feature update. Let us know if you need any help at all.